Hi beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. I'm excited to give you another sneak peek into the Boxyluxe March box. Before I get into that, remember about the giveaway. I've listed the rules below, that way if you have any questions, it's all in the rules. So let's get into that sneak peek. I'm going to show you this short little clip and you'll see it there.
Hi guys, I have super exciting news for everyone. A sneak peek into March's Boxycharm box. Who do you think is in there? None other than Lily Lashes.
This sneak peek was released by Subscription Addiction and she got it from Braylon.75 on Instagram. I will put that below my description. And these are the iconic Lily Lashes. You've seen these on such influencers as Jeffree Star, James Charles. It's a very well-known lash company, so these should be a great addition to our Boxyluxe box this March. And if anybody recognizes which lashes these are, please put it in the comments. And can you please put a flower emoji in the comments? And also, let's recap the other two confirmed spallers for our Boxyluxe so far, and that is our Morphe 15 palettes. We can either get it in 15B, Brunch Babe, 15D, Day Slayer, 15H, Happy Hour, or 15N, the Night Master. And our second spaller was from It Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream, the 2-ounce jar for $48. And moving on, our third spaller is from the brand Iconic London. It's the Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion. These sell for $39. I didn't include the Cover FX face palette because it hasn't been confirmed by Boxycharm as to which box it was going in, that, you know, if it was a Boxyluxe or Boxycharm item or both. And we're not sure when this will be in a box, so I didn't include it. Please remember to share and subscribe, and if you liked my video, please give it a like. And until I talk to you again, bye!